it's Gerald from Clear Cut Group. We just finished a sod install at this house the other day, so let's go in and take a look. Come with me. Okay, this was the sod install we did the other day. This was all completely dirt, old grass. We brought in our sod cutter. We stripped everything out, stripped all that old sod out. And then once we got all that lifted, we worried about all the corners and the edges and everything else. Cleaned all those up, and then once we get all that done, we bring in our fresh soil. We use a triple mix soil. Once we get that in, we rake it out, smooth it out, roll it out, make sure it's not all lumpy and anything else. Once that's good, then we start laying the grass. And the way we lay the grass, we'll take a look here. The grass is always laid in a brick pattern format. We never lay pieces with two edges side by side. So for example, you got this one here and here. You're not going to see a seam in this section. We had to stagger these things. You're going to have most success once you get these staggered. We've seen companies where they actually have this line here lined up with this line here. That's the wrong way of doing sod.